Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First thing you want to do is slide the latches over to unlock and remove the battery. Now loosen Wi-Fi door screws. Then unplug antenna cables. Next, you're going to remove rear hinge screws. The next thing you're going to do is remove the keyboard screws. Now slide up and remove keyboard. Now unscrew, then unplug LCD cable. Now loosen wireless cables and pull apart LCD assembly. Next, you're going to remove screw covers from LCD bezel. Now remove screws from LCD bezel. And use fingers to carefully pry apart LCD bezel. The next thing you want to do is unscrew and unplug LCD camera microphone. Then unscrew and remove LCD screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.